Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something a little different for you. If you've been poking around the online business world, trying to figure out how to finally build a sustainable income, you've probably run into all sorts of complicated strategies, endless webinars, and shiny tools that promise big results and deliver very little. I get it, because I've been there too. That's why when I came across this thing called one-click list machine, I knew I had to dig into it and share my honest thoughts with you. So, what is one-click list machine? It's basically a done-for-you list building system that claims you can get your own email list up and running in as little as half an hour, even if you have no technical skills, no previous experience, and no list at all. The idea is that email lists are still one of the most powerful assets you can own in the digital space, and this product is designed to make the process as easy as brewing a cup of coffee. The guy behind this system is Igor Kheifets. He's pretty well known in the email marketing world and apparently makes a ton of money from his email list alone. According to his story, he used to be broke, working dangerous jobs just to make ends meet. He eventually discovered the power of email marketing, stuck with it, and built a process that turned his life around. Now he's packaging that process into something he claims anyone can use without needing to go through all the trial and error he did. What stood out to me right away is the espresso machine analogy he uses. He compares building your email list with one-click list machine to using an automatic coffee maker. Load it up, press a button, and out comes your latte. In this case, you load up the system, press a few buttons, and you start building your email list and making commissions. It's a simple analogy, but I think it speaks to the mindset behind this product. The goal here is to remove the barriers that keep people from actually taking action. The system itself includes a few core components. First, it gives you a complete list building setup. The landing pages, the email capture, and even the email sequences are already written and ready to go. You just customize a few things, plug in your affiliate ID, and you're set. There's also a built-in income stream that can earn you commissions every time someone signs up through your list and makes a purchase. Igor claims this can generate close to $300 per sale, and that those commissions get sent straight to your bank account once connected. Now here's where it gets interesting. He's not just giving you a tool and sending you off to figure it out. The package includes onboarding calls, video walkthroughs, fill-in-the-blank email templates, and even a support hotline. You get traffic sources too. Not just advice on how to get traffic, but actual links to the traffic providers he uses in his own business. That's a big deal for beginners because getting traffic is one of the biggest stumbling blocks people face when starting out. The price point is pretty reasonable too. For under a couple $100, you get the full system and all the bonuses. There's no monthly subscription fee, which is rare for a tool in this category. And there's a 60-day money-back guarantee if you try it and decide it's not for you. That said, if you're someone who expects instant success without doing anything, this still might not be for you. While it removes a lot of the heavy lifting, you still need to show up, follow the steps, and actually turn it on. But if you're someone who's been sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the right time to jump into list building or affiliate marketing, this could be a solid place to start. At the end of the day, the appeal of one-click list machine is in its simplicity. It's not trying to be everything to everyone. It's not another bloated course with hours of theory. It's a practical tool built around a proven system from someone who's clearly done the work. For the right person, especially someone overwhelmed by tech or unsure where to start, this might just be the nudge you've been looking for. That's it from me on this one. If you've tried one-click list machine or have any questions about it, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next video.